I am Mrs. Purnima Rani Rai, the assistant teacher of Katalia Girls School and College. I hope all are well and good, my students. Today I presented a English class in class 9, English first paper, unit 4 from lesson 1. So the teaching aids the ferry boat, and first I ask some question. Where can you find this kind of boat? And then why does the boatman carry passenger across the river? And then why do people use the country boat? The answer of this question: this kind of boat can be found the riverian rural area. And the answer of second question: why does the boatman carry passenger across the river? Because they earn money and there is no bridge, so they use the ferry boat. The third question answer: why do people use the country boat? The people use the country boat because it is not very expensive and it is easily and available. I also say the meaning of country boat: it is a traveling boat, only a route. And another meaning: it is a country boat. It is a country boat, and one time the people of the rural area to go one place to another with this boat, and it is the medium of communication. The riverian rural area. I think that all the students you understand clearly, and then I tell you a story about the ferry boat. It's happened last 6 years ago, when Jamil in class 6, Jamil tell this story in the class. It's weekly bazaar. The passengers were coming from their shopping bags in hands, on shoulder, on head, and there is a river, and it's not a big river, and it crosses 8 or 10 minutes only, but it was the time of sunset, and the wind started blowing from the northwest. So all the passengers tried to fast go. They get into the ferry boat fast, but the boatman shouted, "No more, no more." Nobody listened. He listened them and tried to get into the ferry boat. At the middle of the river, the ferry boat sank and all the passengers swam in the bank of the river, but they lost their things, oil, sugar, milk and everything. Thanks God, nobody, no man lost her life. Why it happened? Why it happened? Because the boatman was overcrowded. Students, I know you are stay at home. At this time, so you follow the rules of hygienic and you use your time properly. I think everybody understand these topics clearly, and I write the homework. The next I will write the next homework. Thanks everybody.